Skype for Business has a couple of really cool new functionalities. Now you can run a meeting like you do in WebEx. You can create a meeting invite in your calendar or in the appointment pop-up box. So when you're in your calendar, if you want to create a new Skype meeting, you can either click on the new Skype meeting button here in the top ribbon, or you can open up your appointment and click on it there. They both do the exact same thing, so it doesn't matter how you create it. So let's click on the button and create one. As you can see, it gives you a link right to the meeting inside of the agenda, basically. It also gives you a link to a phone number if you need a video conference and you need a phone conference. Then you create your meeting just like you normally would. You add your attendees, you add your agenda. And then once it's done, you click send. You can also click on the meeting options and change any options there. There's not many in there, so there's not a lot to change. Once you got everything you need in there, you then click send just like a normal meeting, and it sends this meeting invite to the people that you invited. As an organizer, you can add this call me option. So that way you don't have to use the number Skype gives you. You can have Skype call you on your number. To get there, you go to your tools and you go to your options. Then you click on Skype meetings. And you just want to make sure this box here is checked off and that Skype for Business is chosen. So now, when you join the meeting as an organizer, and it's easy to do, you can either right click and go join meeting, or you can double click and open up the meeting and click on that link that we seen earlier when we created the meeting. So when you click on it, you're going to see your Skype open up, and it's going to open up a conversation box, and it's going to ask you this join meeting audio question. If you want it to call you at your number, you want to choose the call me option, and then you want to click the drop down, choose new number, and enter your number. Always remember to enter the country code and area code. So in this example, since we're talking about Calgary, it'd be 1403 as your country code and area code. Then when you click OK, Skype actually calls that number so that it connects you right to the phone conference, so that when people call in, you're there waiting. Now when you're in the meeting, you can do things just like you can talking in a conversation. So you can do things like share your desktop. Once you share your desktop, others on the other side can see what you're showing. So by clicking the share content button, it'll open up a pop-up box, basically. And there you pick, do you want to share your desktop? Do you want to share a program? Do you want to share a PowerPoint presentation? And you can see you're sharing there. And at the top there, you can give control to anyone that's within this meeting with you. So that way they can take control. By clicking participant actions, you can choose what the participants can and cannot do during the meeting. It's really easy to use, and a lot of the same WebEx kind of functions. And you can also record your meeting and then manage your recordings as well.